Hey guys, so pretty much everyone has probably heard about the gelatin trick before, right? And if you clicked on this video, it's because you're trying to understand what it actually is and why so many people keep talking about it. So the truth is, most videos explain the gelatin trick in a very superficial, quick way. They don't really talk about the real objective behind this daily ritual, and this isn't about a recipe or something complicated. It's about a simple routine habit that many people have been adding to their day because it fits naturally into just a better, lighter lifestyle. And that's why this trick has been showing up everywhere lately. Not because it's new, but because it's easy to follow and realistic to actually maintain. Now, if you want to see how this gelatin trick is supposed to be used the right way, make sure you check the official website with all the information. If you want to understand how the gelatin trick is actually used and learn all the details behind it, the official link is available in the description of this video and also in the first pinned comment, so you can watch it calmly and decide if it makes sense for you. It's worth checking out while the content is still available though, since this type of complete explanation doesn't always stay online for very long. So click the link down below and I will see you later. Bye.